DataCamp Skill Certification Platform features, strengths, weaknesses. DataCamp's Skill Certification Platform aims to validate data science proficiencies using a combination of practical exams and multiple-choice questions, differentiating itself from simpler course completion certificates. Key features include role-based assessments targeting specific job functions like data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. Each certification assesses skills using real-world datasets and coding challenges primarily in Python and R, although SQL and other tools are also sometimes covered depending on the role. The platform is best suited for individuals with some existing data science knowledge who want formal recognition of their abilities to enhance their resumes or demonstrate skills to employers. The typical candidate will have completed a significant number of DataCamp courses or equivalent training. A major strength is the hands-on nature of the assessments. Instead of simply regurgitating definitions, candidates apply their knowledge to solve problems, mirroring the demands of real-world data science tasks. This provides a more credible signal of competency than passively watching videos or answering basic quizzes. Another plus is DataCamp's focus on practical application, emphasizing coding and data manipulation skills that are directly transferable to on-the-job scenarios. However, weaknesses exist. The platform's limited scope primarily focuses on DataCamp's learning paths, potentially neglecting crucial skills taught elsewhere. This makes it less universally recognized compared to broader certifications, like those offered by AWS or Google Cloud. Furthermore, the exam difficulty can be inconsistent, with some certifications feeling more comprehensive than others. There's also the cost factor. While DataCamp offers a subscription model, accessing multiple certifications can become expensive. A potential improvement would be greater standardization across all skill certifications to ensure consistent rigor and value. In conclusion, DataCamp's skill certification platform offers a valuable option for individuals seeking to validate their skills within the DataCamp ecosystem and demonstrate practical proficiency. While not a replacement for more widely recognized industry certifications, it can be a useful tool for showcasing skills to prospective employers, particularly when coupled with a strong portfolio of projects. Just be mindful of the platform's limitations and whether it aligns with your broader career goals and skill development strategy. It is especially effective for individuals heavily invested in DataCamp's learning resources.